सेट द एग्जामिनर का फेवरेट, हमारा फेवरेट स्पोरोथ्रिक्स शंका है। स्पोरोथ्रिक्स शंका में सब कुछ रोज रोज होगा मैम। दिस हैपेंस बिकॉज ऑफ रोज गार्डनर। देयर विल बी अ गार्डनर हु इज डीलिंग विद द रोजेस, थॉर्न प्रिक होता है, रोज का हिस्ट्री होगा। फोटो देखोगे दैट इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू लुक लाइक अ रोज ओनली, सो इट शोज यू रोजेट्स ऑफ कोनिडिया, it shows you rosettes of conidia in the rose gardener's disease. Which other body? There's a chota sa gold body over here that is known as the cigar body, that golu thing, and then there is a star made around it that is referred to as the asteroid body. So cigar body and asteroid bodies are seen. हाउ डज दिस डिजीज स्प्रेड? ये आपका नीट पीजी एफएमजी फेवरेट क्वेश्चन कि थॉर्न प्रिक तो यहाँ हुआ था फिंगर पे. Why is the disease spreading on the entire arm? Because this fungus tends to go via the lymphatic channels. How does it spread? Options will be lymphatic, hematogenous, local, etc., etc. So it spreads via the lymphatic channels. That is why it is going everywhere. Full arm and legs will be affected. All dimorphic fungi are done for all of you. Let me ask you. So this was rose gardener. Now let me ask you one forest worker. बिना photo के बताओ. There is a forest worker, and forest worker could be walking barefoot, let's assume, and he now has a cauliflower-like lesion on the foot. So I assumed कि अच्छा barefoot walking कर रहा होगा ये patient. What is this disease? Because usually this comes with this kind of a history that अच्छा cauliflower-like lesion, yes, there will be a cauliflower-like lesion. That is why it is called as cauliflower verruca. Verrucous dermatitis, perfect. I will think of chromoblastomycosis. And then what I was hiding from you, I have to show you now. That is chromoblastomycosis. कुछ color होगा. I can see the copper penny bodies. Examiner is not dumb that he will show you these brown bodies and say copper penny जैसा. So लग ही रहा है copper penny. He will ask you the other names of copper penny bodies. They are also known as the medlar bodies, the muriform bodies, and the sclerotic bodies. Okay with everyone? Medlar bodies, muriform bodies, and the sclerotic bodies. Done? Okay.